I want to talk to you about the 5 best instant approval business credit cards. Do not go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing superb if you were to ask me. If you're doing as terrific as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to talk to you about the 5 best instant approval business credit cards. But before I get into the nitty-gritty, please check out our this evaluation approach element, which shows you how we categorize, how we review, and how we test and rate all the cards that we talk about in our shows. Check this out. All right, number 5. We scored this card 9 over 10. This is the Capital One Spark Miles for Business. This card is kind of cool for everyday use. If you're looking for an instant approval business credit card that allows you not only to combine your business expenses, but also the reporting side of things, the Capital One Spark Miles for Business is great. And if you prefer miles to points over cashback, then you may want to consider this card. With this card, you can earn unlimited 2 times miles on every purchase. There are no seat restrictions, blackouts, or minimum redemption requirement. The card also offers some solid welcome bonus, including 15,000 miles, which is equal to $500 in travel. In addition to that, new cardholders also can take advantage of an annual fee of a $0 intro annual fee, and then it will be $95 for every year after that. So with the Capital One Spark card, you'll also be able to take advantage of other perks, including fraud coverage and alert, free employee cards, and travel and purchase protections like an auto rental waiver and extended warranties. What's very important here is that this card not only has instant approval, it has a high score, but you can also rack up a lot of rewards. What we also like while we were actually testing this card, we love the reporting features of Capital One. We love the dashboard. We love the fact that you are able to, as a business owner, you are able to monitor expenses. You are able to analyze month over month or quarter over quarter. You are able to tap into important metrics. You can actually link. You can actually sync the dashboard, the Capital One reporting dashboard, to your favorite accounting software, whether it is QuickBooks or another software tool. So that was very interesting for us as we were researching this card. One other thing that I want to mention, and this was very important for us as we were searching for the card, as we were researching the cards, is that you are able to, through the Capital One Spark Miles for Business, you are able to be upgraded to other Capital One's cards, business cards, which is really fantastic down the road, because this would allow you to consolidate your cards and also have a better view on your financing. Number 4, we have the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card, and this card is cool. It's instant approval. You need good to excellent credit. Same thing for the Capital One Spark Miles. And so if you're looking, and we have scored this card, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card, 9 over 10. This card is great for hotel stays. So if you're looking for a business credit card to cover some upcoming travel expenses and you want to stay in the American Express family, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card may be a wonderful fit. Besides beside the instant approval feature of it, you also don't pay any transaction fee. There is no monthly fee and there is no transaction fee. With this card, you can earn 6 times points at participating Marriott Bonvoy hotels, 4 points at U.S. restaurants, at U.S. gas stations, or on wireless telephone services purchased directly from U.S. service providers and on U.S. purchases for shipping. You can also earn two times points on all other eligible purchases. So what we love on the card is that it has all the perks. What we don't like is that the card does have a $125 annual fee, something to think about. But with the membership perks like a free night stay after your card anniversary and automatic silver elite status in the Marriott Rewards program, it is easy to merit the annual fee. So in other words, you can actually offset the $125 annual fee through the rewards and the perks that you're getting. And as I said earlier, there are no foreign transaction fees, and the card holders also access basic Amex benefits like extended warranties, purchase protection, and dispute resolution. This is kind of important, especially if you have a small business where you are constantly traveling, where your people are constantly traveling, and you are renting cars, you are staying at hotels, you are eating at U.S. restaurants. And again, the card has, like all American Express cards, the benefits are geared toward U.S. domestic consumption. So as long as you travel within the United States, and you are staying at hotels within the United States, you are able to rack up a lot of points, from 6 times points to 2 times points. Number 3, we have the Discover It business card. This card is wonderful. It has a 0% annual fee. This card is best cash back welcome offer. We have scored this 9.5 over 10. It is an instant approval business credit card. So it typically offers instant approval. Of course, with this card, you can earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase. There are no limits. As such, this instant approval business credit card is a great option for business owners who are looking for an everyday cashback card but don't have spending patterns that merit category-specific rewards programs. In addition to that, unlike the Capital One Spark Classic for Business, there is no annual fee associated with the Discover It business card, and we kind of like this feature. And so that makes it a great option if you don't think you would use it enough to justify an annual fee. Besides, there are no foreign transaction fees, and you can redeem your cashback rewards at any time. No need to wait until you hit an earnings milestone. Discover is kind of cool also because they offer you a constellation of additional perks. For example, you can receive alerts if your social security number is found on any, what they call dark websites, and you can have replacement cards overnighted at no cost, and you can receive a late fee waiver for your first late payments. So picking the best credit card for your business can take some research and often requires you to evaluate your spending habits as well as your rewards preferences. You have to really think about how those two fit together, right? So your spending habits, the company's spending habits, and the company's rewards preferences. For example, if welcome offers are important to your business, your search may begin by reviewing a list of business credit cards with the best offers. Similarly, some entrepreneurs may want to look into rewards or cashback credit cards that allow them to optimize frequent business expenses like travel or restaurants and supply purchases. So it really kind of depends on you. Now, one thing I want to say is that no matter what, if it's an instant approval business credit card that you want, it's always helpful to make sure you check your credit score and understand the general requirements of your chosen card. Though many credit card companies offer instant approval, not every applicant will receive it. So having excellent credit typically increases your chances. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Studio Keyword Show. We're also having a conversation here around the 5 best instant approval business credit cards. And if you love this kind of show, this kind of content, please, you can subscribe, like, comment, or share our content. We really appreciate it. Let me talk to you about number 2 on our list. Number 2, Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card. We have given this card a perfect 10 over 10. And this card is great for unlimited cashback and bonus and welcome bonus. You have $750 welcome bonus if you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. That's kind of cool. That's really, really cool. You also have 0% intro APR on purchases. Not just on purchases, but also on balance transfers. Right? You have unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase. The intro APR, of course, is 0. Now, the regular APR, we kind of like this regular APR too, because in this category, they have a very decent 13.24% to 19.24% variable. That's kind of cool. In addition to that, the card has no annual fee. Of course, as I said earlier, you got to have good to excellent credit. So the minimum credit that the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card requires is 660. Here's the thing. Chase does not issue exactly instant approval business credit cards. They will not give you an approved credit card right away. However, they will give you a decision right away with a card a few days following, if that's instant enough for you, right? So the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited offers a great welcome bonus that any business owner should be excited to take advantage of. Think about it. $500 as a welcome for sign up after you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. After that, you'll get 1.5% cash back on all of your purchases. Once you do get approved for the card, it will be wonderful to get that cash right away to invest in your business, right? Another perk of the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited is that they have they have an intro APR offer for 12 months. It's not as good as the Blue Business Plus, but when you pair it with the $500 welcome offer, the Chase Income Business Unlimited comes with a mixture, a great combo of benefits that are hard to resist, right? Now, like the Blue Business Plus from American Express, the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited is a near instant approval business credit card best suited for business owners with strong credit. And now let's talk about number 1. The number 1 of the best instant approval business credit card out there is the American Express Blue Business Plus. We have rated this 10 over 10, and most of American Express's credit cards, I'm talking here about both personal and business, they offer near instant approval. Sometimes they'll give you a card number before you get a physical card in the mail, though expiration dates and security codes can change when you get your actual card. The American Express Blue Business Plus is one of the top options available for business owners with strong credit looking for a lengthy 0% introductory APR period. Amex Blue Business Plus offers a 0% intro APR period for what? 12 months. That's fantastic. So that's like having a free loan for your business for a year. So after the introductory period, your rate will adjust to an effective APR. So if you have a strong credit, the Blue Business Plus is a great near instant approval business credit card. So let's just kind of have a general conversation here, folks. Let me give you an overview. What does instant approval really mean? Because people are talking about instant approval business credit card. What does this really mean? Technology has made nearly instant credit card approval possible, but only in some cases. So most credit card issuers would not even label their credit cards instant approval because some applicants may be approved with a click of a button, while others may require a manual review or an automated review that can take hours or days to complete. There are a couple of things, though, folks, that you need to do to make the approval process as fast as possible for credit card issuers. First, be sure that none of your personal credit reports have a freeze or fraud alert on them, because this can make for a longer application process as you may need to provide the issuer a code to allow them to review your credit profile, or you may need to lift the freeze entirely. So if you are unsure whether there is a freeze or fraud alert on your credit reports, you can call the major consumer credit bureaus to find out. That's number one. Number two, ensure your credit reports are in tip-top shape. Things like bankruptcies and judgments may throw a red flag up for the issuer, right? Even if they are from years past and are having a negligible impact on your scores today. Number three, and the last, pre-approved or pre-qualified offers can help speed up the approval process, as the lender has already taken a peek at a sample of your data and deemed you a good match. So still, you should never take a pre-approval or pre-qualification as a guarantee of approval. So before you apply, keep in mind that instant, the word instant here, also does not mean guaranteed, right? Because in some cases, a credit card application may go into pending status while it's being reviewed, or the credit card company requests additional information. So if a quick and easy approval process is just one factor that may drive your decision, one thing I would tell you is that you might want to look at other cards. In other words, now let's just talk about it. What kinds of credit cards can be instant approval? Certain types of instant approval credit cards are only available to those with the highest personal credit scores. Because of their quick preliminary approval, unsecured instant approval credit cards are really only an option for those that offer the most attractive qualifications for card issuers. On the other hand, credit cards can also be an instant approval cards if they are low risk for the card issuer, making your qualifications as a borrower less pertinent. This means that secured credit cards are often considered instant approval, since many don't require a certain creditworthiness to qualify for them, right? So I guess what I'm trying to say here is that instant approval credit cards often occupy opposite ends of the spectrum of accessibility. So although certain unsecured instant approval credit cards have much tougher standards for cardholders, other secured instant approval credit cards get their title of instant approval from how easy it is to qualify for them, right? And the great news here is that you actually have options, right? That's the bottom line here. All right, folks, this is it for today. I really appreciate your attention here. Let me quickly recap what we were talking about. The 5 best instant approval business credit cards are: number 1, Bank of America. Number 1, American Express Blue Business Plus, 10 over 10. Number 2, Chase Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card, 10 over 10. Number 3, the Discovery Business Card, 9.5 over 10. Number 4, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express Card, 9 over 10. And number 5, the Capital One Spark Miles for Business, 9 over 10. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.